Micrometer screw gauge is a device used for the measurement of small length of a wire or measurement of diameter of the metal sphere, etc. Now first we are going to study the parts of micrometer screw gauge. So this is called as anvil or stud, and this is spindle. So by using anvil and spindle we can hold the object properly in a micrometer screw gauge. This is frame. See the reading given on a frame, that is 15 into 1 mm. So this is 15 mm scale and each value of division is 1 mm. This scale is called as linear scale. This is sleeve, thimble. See on thimble a circular scale is given and ratchet. These are the parts of the micrometer screw gauge. The objective of this experiment is to calculate the least count of micrometer screw gauge and to find the total reading by using micrometer screw gauge. Now first we are going to calculate the least count. Least count means the smallest measurement that can be done by an instrument is called least count. So first we have to find the least count of this micrometer screw gauge. Now see the formula for least count. Least count formula, that is smallest division on a linear scale divided by total number of divisions on a circular scale. See the micrometer screw gauge. First we have to know which is linear scale and which is circular scale. See this is steady scale is called as linear scale and this rotating or scale is called as circular scale. Now we have to calculate the smallest division on a linear scale. Means each value of division first we have to calculate, and that is the smallest division on a linear scale, and then we have to calculate the total number of divisions on a circular scale. See the smallest division 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 means each division value is 1 mm. So the smallest division on a linear scale will be 1 mm. Then total number of divisions on a circular scale. Say I am rotating this scale 0, after that 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and this again 10. So total number of divisions on a circular scale will be 100. So the least count of micrometer screw gauge, so to put the values, that is smallest division on a linear scale will be 1 mm divided by total number of divisions we have calculated, that is 100. So we get 0.01 mm. This answer in mm. So least count of micrometer screw gauge is 0.01 mm. If you want to write in centimeter scale, then it will be 0.001 centimeter. So we got now the least count of micrometer screw gauge is 0.001 centimeter. Now the second objective of this experiment is to calculate the length or a diameter of the wire. So we have one wire. Now we have to calculate the diameter of this wire and again diameter of this metal sphere. So that reading will be the total reading. That will be our second objective. Now to calculate the total reading, see the formula for total reading, that is linear scale reading plus circular scale reading into least count. So the first we have to find the length or diameter of the wire. So first hold the wire properly in a micrometer screw gauge and then find out the linear scale reading. See the linear scale reading, that is 2. See the linear scale reading. See the divisions, that is 1 and 2. So the linear scale reading will be 2. In centimeter we can write 0.2. And see the circular scale reading. See this horizontal line on a linear scale where it coincides at 20. So the circular scale reading will be 20. So I can write the linear scale reading 0.2 plus circular scale reading 20 into least count, that is 0.001. So I got the reading, that is 0.22 centimeter. This is the diameter of the wire. Now see, we have to calculate again the diameter of this metal sphere. So hold the metal sphere properly in a micrometer screw gauge and again calculate the reading, that is linear scale reading 10. We cannot see 11 line properly, so the linear scale reading will be 10 and the horizontal line on a linear scale where it coincides at 90. So the circular scale reading will be 90. Again see, hold the metal sphere properly and find out the reading. So 10 means 1 centimeter because we have written least count in centimeter. So the linear scale reading put in centimeter, that is 1 centimeter plus circular scale reading, we got 90. This is number, there is no unit for this number. So it is 90 into 0.01, we got 1.090 centimeter. So by using micrometer screw gauge, we have calculated first the least count of micrometer screw gauge, that we got 0.01 mm or 0.001 centimeter. Again by using micrometer screw gauge, we have calculated the diameter of this wire and diameter of this metal sphere. So diameter of the wire we got 0.22 centimeter and diameter of this metal sphere we got 1.090. So by using micrometer screw gauge, we can measure the object reading more accurate than the vernier caliper. So this is a micrometer screw gauge.